From the noisiest neighborhood in the known universe, welcome to SmokeyGoodness 2.0, YouTube's bison-centric barbecue channel. Speaking of bison, check this out. Isn't that cool? It's Nebraska Bison's new logo. I need to get a PNG file of this. Anyway, I'm doing the intro here to this video really late. A long time ago we finished this low and slow. I wasn't able to record any audio all day today because of circumstances beyond my control. Wild Karen on the loose. I should just treat this as if it were the beginning of the video. So anyway, today and yesterday we prepared a 2.5 pound bison pot roast. Did it low and slow here in the grill dome. I used a brine for it overnight. Began that about 24 hours ago, actually. The brine is something that I came up with maybe 5, 6, possibly 7 years ago. It was a brine for a center cut pork loin that we did back then, and it was good. And I've been waiting for another opportunity to put that brine together and use it for something really good. And this bison roast was perfect. I want to thank everyone over at Nebraska Bison for being awesome. Couldn't have done this without you guys. So yeah, nice out here. It's like springtime. Anyway, let's not waste any more time. Let's go back about 24 hours. I'm gonna put the brine together. And by the way, we're gonna put, try to put a national chain fast food place to shame with this. We're gonna do something that they have been doing for decades, maybe even centuries, I don't know, but I think we're going to beat them at their own game. Their B stands for beef, our B stands for bison. So let's go to the Wayback Machine, get everything going with this brine, and we'll take it from there. Stick around. Let's bring 8 cups of water to a boil. 2 teaspoons of rainbow peppercorn. I've also got 3 cloves down here on the bottom, 3 bay leaves and a cinnamon stick, 1 crushed garlic clove. This water's just slowly coming up to a boil. I have no patience. I cannot wait anymore. Let's start throwing our ingredients in. We begin with the garlic, our rainbow peppercorn right there, and then we do have the, you can't really see that, but cloves, they're going in. And finally, 3 bay leaves and cinnamon. Give this a good stir and we'll be back. Put it back in the bowl, put it in the fridge for an overnight marinade, man. Mm-hmm. Shut up, fire truck. Oh yeah, let it rest. A few minutes has passed. Let's indulge, shall we? Ooh, look at that. If you could smell this, you'd be very, very happy. Ah, yes. Don't waste any of those juices. All right, I'm gonna take it over here to our fancy schmancy roast beef like slicer. All right, let's turn this thing on. I think I've got the right amount of slice there, but I just don't know. Try it. Oh yeah, maybe a little bit. Okay, how about that? All right. Oh yeah. That was good. This thing's kind of got a weak motor, but check that out. It's bison mine. That is perfection right there. Look at that. Oh my God, that is good. We kind of like these onion buns for roast bison sandwiches, you know? I say, you know?
Yeah, I know.
Cool. All right, then, I'm not done yet. I wish I could have shown on video, but I couldn't because of Karen and her goofy husband out there. But we sauteed in butter some onions and some bell pepper. Yeah, that's how I like my bison sandwiches. Oh yeah. All right, there you go. He wants a lot, just like his old man. A lot. Oh man. She's gonna be hanging over the edge. Yes, sir. Now tell me that chain restaurant that serves or specializes in that meat that they call roast beef, or RB for short. Can they top this? I don't think so. They can't. This is a roast bison sandwich, and we're gonna go indulge right now. But how does it taste there, Mr. Badly Backlit Smoky Goodness guy? Let's find out. It's bison. It's roast bison sandwiches putting a certain restaurant to shame. I know I'm gonna put them to shame right now. Listen, I know I say this each and every time we sit at this table to indulge. You're not on camera. That's okay, I guess, right?
Where are our sides?
Huh? Oh, we're gonna get some sides. Just had to. How do they say it in England? Had to get stuck into this right now. But like I was saying, I know I say this every time we do this, but man, this is good. You should give this a try. Bison is absolutely 1,000 times better than beef, especially in a roast bison sandwich. Okay, we gotta go. We're gonna eat. We still have to serve up some sides. I still have to record the beginning of this video, the intro. We have a wild Karen living here in our neighborhood. Wild Karen likes to start working on her yard while it's still winter. Wild Karen does not appreciate rolling smoke or loud music or me talking into the camera, so I gotta wait until the Wild Karen goes back into her Wild Karen lair and do the intro. So, see you next time.